All we need is dignity and our respect. We need to go back to work.
Yes.
When the politicians were holding those super spreader events, nobody locked the country down.
Yes.
When they were talking about the BBI, calling it reggae, we are the ones who play the reggae in this Nairobi.
Yes.
We are the people who play the reggae. We write the reggae songs.
Yes.
Amkuona Freddy Juice alitoa hit song.
Yes.
Amkuona Freddy Juice na Dynamics alitoa hit song.
Yes.
Amkusikia spoken word ya ndugu yetu.
Fungua nchi.
What are we supposed to do, honestly? Kenyans, and we defend power. We defend it. We call them the super spreaders. Our bosses are in their houses. They're comfortable. We are the ones who work for them. They've locked the country for us. What are we supposed to do? International flights can still operate within the country, in and out of the red zones. What am I supposed to do as a normal Kenyan in my own country?
Door lockdown.
Door lockdown. Door lockdown. Door lockdown. Fungua nchi.
Fungua nchi.
Door lockdown.
Door lockdown.
Door curfew.
Door curfew.
Fungua nchi.
Fungua nchi.
I'm saying that because in the transport sector, going from Nairobi to Nakuru used to be 400 bob. Kweli urongo? Right now, it's 2,000 bob. Back then, if you do the math, the people in the transport sector are earning over 270% in profits. Is that right, comrade? Is that fair?
No.
Is that fair?
Not fair.
I'm looking at that. The president's company is still moving on tons and tons of timber during the day. Is that fair? Is that fair? The road that links Westlands and JKIA, Barabara ya Tajiri, is being worked on day and night. Is that fair?
Not fair.
What are we supposed to do? You criminalize for doing our jobs, for keeping Kenyans alive. Then you give us some pitiable awards. And you lie to us that you're going to give us a stimulus. Munataka tufanye nini? That stimulus, nani hapa amekula hiyo stimulus? It's none of you guys. You've not seen that money. What are we supposed to do? What do you want us to do? Fungua nchi. Fungua nchi. We do not appreciate this. And it's very disheartening. It's very disheartening that as a young man who's just out of campus, you mock us and you lie to us that there are jobs we need to work for, that we are unemployed because we do not have jobs. You lie to us that we are unemployed and that we are wasting our lives because we are irresponsible. But it's because the government has refused to do its job. It's because the government will not be accountable to the very people who elected it. I'm very sure there are people here who did those 2 rounds to go and vote this government in. I might not be one of them, but there are people who voted this government in. If you disrespect me, at least respect the people who voted you in. It's up to us, the citizens. I'm tired of this Serikali's idea narrative. Who is Serikali are we supposed to run to? Last year, you shot one of us. This very government that we elected. What are we supposed to do? Youths do not have jobs. We're engaging in all manners of things to survive. We've excused the government for far too long. And I'm pointing fingers at you, everyone who's watching this clip, everyone who's come for this demonstration. Thank you for coming, but we have to hold our government accountable.
Yes.
We have to hold this government accountable.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Thank you.
Nothing less. Comrades, fungua nchi. Fungua nchi. Comrades, fungua nchi. Fungua nchi. Comrades, hatutachoka. Hatutachoka. Comrades, turudi kazini. Turudi kazini.